Hello, my name is Jaclynn. I am a mother of two little ones, a boy and a girl, and I am here to show you some of our organization strategies. It is day, what feels like 1 million of quarantine, and so we are not nearly as organized as we have been in the past, but come along with me and I can at least give you a little bit of a tour. This is don't mind my children in the background, this is something we use for cards, artwork storage, and it's great because when they bring something new home, or we get a new card, we pick something to put away, or either for saving, or we move it along to a grandma, nana, papa, grandpa. We also have these, my husband put them in. There's these little bitty, let's see if you can, little bitty clothespins and just a metal wire, and then he attached that to the wall. So we use that for just displaying art. It kind of helps keep it more minimal. And then in our family room, which is where we primarily have the children's toys, we do a lot of Tupperware bins. So you can see I like the clear ones. And then we have this toy chest that looks kind of fancy, but it's great for storing, again, Tupperware bins. These are my favorite because they're clear and you can see inside them. I like to keep toys sort of separated, so sets together, that sort of thing. And then my kids are playing over here, so bear with me. This is where we have like our Lego table. Right now we have our car ramp up as well, but I can show you more of our boxes. So we've got our bins full of toys there. And then our artwork, we had these built-ins came with the house when we moved in. So I can show you, we have kind of our artwork all over in, don't mind our other mess, in here. So we'll have like our Play-Doh, our stamps, our crayons, all that good stuff. So they know that that's where the art is. And then further into this beautiful storage unit, I really like the collapsible bins. I can actually fit 4 in there. And it's great. I used to try to sort the toys by like soft, electronic, and at this point they can just throw everything in the 4 bins and we're done. I can close the door up. Another great thing, this Lego table has that under storage netting, so they can actually just throw the Legos right into the, I think technically Duplos, the bigger Legos, right into the table. And then lastly, we just had a bookshelf that has been with us pre-children, and so we just gave them their very own shelf. It's nice and low so they can access it. It'd be even better if they were better about just putting them away as opposed to just pulling them off. But I do want something that they can reach, so I try to keep things lower unless it's intentionally placed higher, like the art supplies. That's kind of what works for us. Again, big fan of those collapsible bin baskets and the clear storage bins. It's easy for the kids to take things out, put things away, and I try not to be too picky. Again, I started off trying to be very selective in sorting things, but at this point, as long as it's kind of in one of the storage areas or in its designated storage Tupperware container, it's good for me. And the art thing seems to actually be working out pretty well. We can see it for a length of time and then it's replaced. The children can choose, and so it's not on me in terms of which art stays and which art goes. So that is how we are trying to stay organized. Thanks for coming.